All right, here we go again. I'm over here in North Kakalaki at the shipper. Just figured I'd pop the hood right quick, and this the finished product right here. So far I've been rolling about 2 weeks with it. I've been kind of babying it, and today I've been running her a little bit wide open a little bit today, but like I said, this is the finished product right here. And what I got 7-inch Dyno Flex exhaust on here. It sounds real mean, around 75 miles an hour, between 70 and 75 miles an hour. I mean, it just sounds like it's gonna blow your back out. But that's what I got on here. So yeah, she's been running pretty good, but it's still not quite got all she needs to have. So based on how it's driving, I kind of see that it probably gonna need the fuel lines changed. It ain't quite got that fuel pressure. Seems like it ain't got the fuel pressure needed based on how the engine sounds and stuff like that. So a few more small miscellaneous things to do to it. Change the fuel lines on it. Then I want to get it polished up, get the tanks polished up, the wheels and everything, get it looking real good. But so far, that's where we at right now. That's where we at. Got the finished product and had to get it cleaned up today. So that's where we at. And the last thing, I want to go up with the exhaust just a little bit more. Maybe put some tips on it, turn them out to the side, or maybe go straight up with it. Let me know what y'all think. Should I go straight up with it or go out to the side with it? Holla back.